Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this behind me is my 1992 Dodge Stealth RT that I'm working on, and beside it is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible. I am still working on the RT because, as you can tell, it's getting cool. This video, I don't know when it's going to drop for you guys, but for me, it's the start of November here in Iowa, and it's cool, chilly, and rainy. I just want to make this as this is going to be a short video, not explanation. I was still troubleshooting in the last videos, trying to figure stuff out. I had some bad information, that's my bad, and hopefully other videos I've corrected it so you won't see it. Basically, I'm testing out the fuel pump, and I was checking all the wiring going on. What's going on back here? I was checking the relay, checking all the grounds in the back, making sure all this is working back here on this guy. Basically, I did find a bad wire from the tank to the body, which we replaced. You saw that. I checked continuity on ground to the chassis. It was good. I have checked continuity on the power side all the way up to the relay, which is, if I throw the schematic up, it'll be fine. This guy, I checked power to the relay, and then I checked relay back, so it's working. So everything should be fine. And then I reconfirmed everything by using the test plug that is up here. Oh, hang on. I'm gonna grab my light real fast so you guys can see. So I'm thinking I've got an issue with an ECU or a relay. As what's going on beforehand in other videos, I was giving power to this blue connector, which is wrong. That's for attack. The brown or tan color one is for, I'll say it on screen. Somebody told me what it is finally. I know what it is. But the little black one right next to it is the relay. It does have a cap cover on it, the cover, so it doesn't get corroded. This guy should have had one too. It looks like it got removed at some point. So I don't know if somebody else messed it up before me or what. Take that off, jam in a spade connector with a wire, and go back to power and listen. You can hear the fuel pump run. That is your fuel pump checked. Make sure your pump is good. So now I either have a bad relay that's not allowing voltage to get back to the pump, or a bad ECU that's not telling the relay to turn on. I haven't yet to figure out to diagnose that, but that's what I'm working on. And I do know the ECU has been removed in this car because it is loose and floppy. So I'm going to take it out here probably in the next video. Get it removed from the car, open it up, inspect it, because the 3000 GT Dodge Stealth GTOs all have an issue. There are 4 capacitors on it that tend to go bad, or one can go bad, and when they go bad, the innards puke onto the board and eat the board and mess up. Because right now, when I turn the key on for power, my air electric control valve goes nuts. So I'm thinking it's less relay and more ECU at this point. So I'm going to pull the ECU out in the next video. But I wanted to tell people, if you want to know, check your fuel pump for if you're powering out, to make sure your fuel pump doesn't die. You use the black connector out of this 3 bundle right here, jumper it to power like this, and if you can hear that, that is the fuel pump running. That way you can tell the fuel pump is good, and it tells you on the diagram. If I throw that on screen now, should be over here, that would tell you exactly the issue for power side. The problem I've got is the stepper motor doesn't want to kick in. Or sorry, stepper motor for the air control valve is kicking in. The fuel pump's not coming on with the key. So I'm guessing the ECU is the next culprit here. Be my guess, just because I can't imagine 2 wires being messed up like that. I did get other answers on my loose wires there. There's another 2 of them. Actually, these guys right here, I didn't know what these were. A couple guys informed me. I'll throw it on screen with the hour again. Basically, they're unused. But I didn't know if they were unplugged from something or something else. But they're another, I don't know, diagnostics or something that isn't in my car to use because this is, I guess, a federal car for stuff. And so I don't have an EGR valve, which is one of these would be control, and another one is for something else. So, yeah. Progress. Slow, but progress. I got answers resolved. The internet's helped me out greatly there. Nothing that anyone showed. I had to post in a couple forums like, hey, guys, I'm new to this. What the heck is this stuff? And guys were gracious to tell me out and set me straight, which is fantastic. Yeah, so, oh, and I do have wheels actually bought for this car. I got a buddy of mine, he's got a set of spare tires I'm going to be using from him. That should be good for this winter. At least get this thing to storage and on the road. And I have front tire rod ends for both sides, inner and outers, to get replaced. That will be coming up in videos too. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions or comments, hit me up below. Please smash that like and subscribe. Every little bit helps. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.